Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how the Bliss app works. Bliss is a one-click software that instantly creates your own Udemy-like e-learning sites with 100 hot-selling video courses across 50 niches ready to get you traffic and sales in 60 seconds. In other words, it's an online course marketplace that helps you run your online education business with ease, like Udemy. With Bliss, instructors will be able to create unlimited video courses, live courses, text courses, quizzes, etc. And students will be able to use the educational material to increase their skill and level up their knowledge in order to grow their income. Now let me show you our dashboard and how easy it is to get started. Here on the left-hand menu bar, you can find all the options that'll help you create and manage courses for your students. So first, we will discuss the class option. Here you have courses, life classes, text courses, and new. So if I go over to courses, you can add courses over here, and you can see all the available courses over here. Here will be the live classes, text courses, and if you want to add anything new, that can be done over here. Next, we have the categories option. Here you can find list, new, and the trends. Over here you can find filters where you can find the list of filters. If you want to add any new filter, you can do that from here. Next, you can create a quiz for your student with a single click just by going over here. You can create and issue certificates to your students from here also. Here's the list of certificates. There are also templates available that you can use, and if you want to create a new template, that's possible from here. Next, we have reviews. You can find reviews by searching through the date, class, and status. Okay, now moving forward. You can find the consultant and meeting schedules. Over here, you manage your users. You also have staff option. You have students option, instructor, and organizer. Here you can set and assign user roles. Furthermore, we have group options, badges, instructor requests, and the support option where you can find support tickets, new support tickets, and departments. After that, we have more options like class support, comment, reports, and so many other features. Next, we have the blog and page option, where you can create new blog posts and pages on the marketplace. You can also create categories and assign them to a post. Over here, you can create a new page. Just put the name, URL, title, and description. With a few clicks, your page will be ready and you can start selling your courses. We have tons and tons of exciting features that'll help you set up your own marketplace with ease. As you can see, we have offline payment options, subscribe option, discount code, content promotion, ad banners, and email newsletter. Next, you can find the general setting, finance sheet setting, and all other setting options. So guys, this is how easy it is to create your own course and sell it to your customer with the help of Bliss software. Thank you. We'll see you on the inside.